Here are 7 ways which you can improve the performance of your Windows 10 computer. One way is to disable your notifications. This just gives your computer a little less work to do because it's always just pushing out useless notifications, especially on things that you may already know about. So what you can do is search notification in the startup bar, and you can disable get tips and tricks and suggestions as you use Windows. Or if you don't want any notifications at all, just disable the whole thing. What you can also do is you can go down and you can deselect any of the applications which you don't want notifications from. For example, I don't want Mail, Cortana, that, and so on. Another way you can speed up your computer is by disabling Game Bar. Go down to the startup menu and type in Game Bar. Then go to Game Bar settings and make sure you switch that off if you're not going to be recording any of your gameplay. And you can also switch off your background recording and recorded audio. Just a quick little reminder, if you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button. If you don't like this video, dislike, leave a comment if you like, and yeah, back to the video. Clear out your startup programs. You're going to want to go to your task manager and then click on the startup tab. So in my case, I have this thing which I have no idea what it is, so I can just disable it. Another one is BitTorrent. I don't need that to start up with my computer, so I'm going to disable that as well. This gives the computer less work to do when you switch on your computer. Another way is to make sure that your computer is up to date, because these could have performance and important security improvements which could be helpful. So in my case, I do have an update waiting for me, and it says new features and security improvements. You can access this window by simply typing in update in the startup menu, and you click on check for updates, and this window should pop up. Next is to defragment your hard drive. This is a very common and well-known way to help improve the performance of your computer. What you want to do is you want to go to this PC and right click your hard drive, go to properties, and then tools. As you can see, it says optimizing your computer's drives can help it to run more efficiently, and all you have to do is optimize. You can also run the error checking at the top to make sure that your hard drive is okay, make sure it doesn't have any errors. So when you click optimize, this window pops up. So in my case, it ran 2 days ago. So you can set it up in such a way that it can run periodically, every week, daily, or monthly. This one isn't even like special or anything, but just simply cleaning up your PC can help a lot. So you can do that by going to your control panel and then uninstall a program, and just basically just go through this list and uninstall all the programs that you don't need. So in my case, Microsoft Edge, I can delete that. That can go. OneDrive, don't need it. And this, don't need it. I don't know what this is. Don't need it. Ryzen Master, I don't use that. And yeah. Another thing is to delete your temporary files. You don't need those. Open the Run app, type in temp, press OK, and delete all these folders. You just don't need them. And if you don't feel like doing any of that, just get yourself one of these. Thanks for watching.